Alright, sanbonan guys. Now lana nginiphethe question 7. It's a question on our trigonometric functions. In the description box ngizoshiya ama-links for other questions engiwaphendulile for the question paper. Now lana basiphe ama-functions awu-2, f no g, f being the sine function and then g being the cosine function for this domain ka-negative 180 to 180 degrees. Now babuya bathi the graphs of f and g intersect at b and d. Now b no d. Okay, on the statement abamentionanga this, but a as well as we point of intersection. Then e is the y-intercept of g and c is a turning point of g. A is a turning point of both f and g, as well as a point of intersection. Alright, now nangabe enjoy content guys, please don't forget to like, share, nangaba usubscribanga, please do. In the description box there's also a link to another YouTube channel ongaycheck for my lessons. Now see like 7.1, but you write down the value of a. As discussed this question kancane nje. The value for a, so a simthola guys, simthola la g of x, which is the cosine function. Cos x plus a, right? X plus a. This a u-eta ubani u-eta lagu x. It means that this is ubani a horizontal shift. It's either movela to the left, to the right, or is movela to the left. Every time ubona a value being added to x, your function moves sideways. There's a transformation, a translator the function sideways. Ne? Alright. The function ga cos without a. The function ga cos without the a. Iba so. Isnikeza ini. Isnikeza the parent function. So the parent function ibukeka something like this. Ibukeka something like this. So iqala kuphi? Iqala la. Et ibuye et ibuye et. Right? Ibuye et ibuye et ibuye et. So ngiya extend ananga. But let's just not extend this one. So iqala kubani? At 0 degrees it starts at 1, right? At an amplitude of bani 1. Wabang no 1 lapha, ne? So if in eta a, it's either the graph is movela to the right or to the left. Yes? So you need to pay attention to this turning point. To this turning point, isuka kubani ku-0. Isuka la ku-0. Alright, now bheka. So let's go back to this function again. Uyayibona this one indlula la ku-0 ubani u-f. So siyabona ukuthi f udlula ku-0, so it's the sine function. Alright, so this is our sine function. So it means that g it's our cosine function. Bheka, this graph ka g at some point bekuphi? Bela, right? Bela. Beyenza something like this. Something like this. Something like this, right? So but because of the a is shiftile, ya shifted to the right. Atimisuse is shiftile to the right. Nice. Imela kubani ku a, and the point ga a ubani 45 degrees and 1. Cause go to a way to is what? It's 45 degrees. But if ever we shift to the right, the value ga a yoba negative. Ne? If we move to the right, the value ga a yoba negative. If we move to the left, yoba positive. Ne? Alright. So evaluate to a, it's actually equal to negative 45 degrees. Ngimthatha 45 degrees ngimbona la ku a. Ne? You need to pay attention to the turning point la ku a. And then if ever ufuna ukuchecka a translation between translation horizontally for a sine function, you need to check the point le eqala la ku origin. You always start ku 0, then you check again, ne? So a is equal to negative 45 degrees, 7.2 bafunani ke manje. Alright. State the period of f. Asibona f ukuphi now, f. So starting from 0, so funi period la. Crest or the peak. This is the crest or the peak. Angisho ngicheck f ubani sine. Then nyahamba, one completed throw. This is our throw. This is our peak or our crest. So one complete wave, ne, isinikeza the period of the graph in degrees, ne. The period of the graph, it's where a graph yakho complete one complete wave. So the period for f9 is equal to 180 degrees, or ungayicalculate uthi the period is equal to 360 degrees, which is the period for the parent function yaga sine no cos. But since it's sikhuluma ngo sine la, it's 360 degrees divided by the value or the coefficient ka x, which is 2. Nangabe kuno 1 ufaka 1, nangabe kuno 3x ufaka 3, nangabe kuno 4x ufaka ubani u4. So 360 divided by 2, it's 180 degrees. We thola so ke period. Nge graph uchecka I peak, ubuye uchecke nani ni throw. Bese ubhala la I complete wave, ubhala the number of degrees where I function yakhe complete I wave khona, ne? 7.3. Determine the coordinates of C and E. The coordinates of C and E. So C is the turning point kabani ka G. Yes. C na y coordinate yakhe. Sifuna the x coordinate ka C. Sifuna ne coordinate la kabani la ka E. Where's E? E ukuphi? Or it's the y intercept. It's the y-intercept kabani ka G. So let's go to G. Start function ka G. It's cos x minus 45 degrees. So minus 45 degrees. Alright. So let's start off by calculating i value ka ama coordinates ka C. So you substitute to minus 1 la. Y is minus 1 cos x minus 45 degrees. So shift cos negative 1 is equal to 180. 180 is equal to x minus 45 degrees. Then we solve for x. X yoba equal to okay, 45. Wait. Oh, okay. No. Alright. Okay. Lana kahle 135. 135 ngoba nangizoyisolva so ngiyayibona ukuthi izonginikeza inkinga. What do I mean? Komele ngisolve as a general solution. So therefore ngizoyenza so, ngizo-reason as to why ngithi this is equal to that. Bheka ke siqale la kwaye function ka G is shifted by how many units? 45 units to the right. So isuke from 180 years a lot to this point ka C by 45 degrees. So it means that lana about 180 minus 45 degrees is equal to 135. So we see we about minus 135 to minus 1, right? Low 40 back. It's shifted by 45 degrees. From 0 to la, it's 45. From 180 to la, it shifted by 45. So ngithi 180 minus 45 gives 135. These are the coordinates for C. Then for our coordinates ka E, the y-intercept, of course, y yoba ubani, x yoba ubani, yoba 0. Then sishota ngobani, y. That's when we use the equation gela. So the g of x equal to sifuna y, it's cos x minus 45 degrees. So y is equal to cos 0 degrees minus 45 degrees. Cos 0 minus 45. Ubani square root 2 over 2. So it's square root 2 over 2 la. My answer yethu ke. This is our answer now. Size la 7.4. But write down the amplitude of h if h of x is equal to 3 times ubani f. So h of x is equal to 3 times f of x is equal to, therefore it's 3 open f of x ubani sine 2x. So our function is 3 sine 2x. The amplitude ubani 3. So the amplitude lana, the amplitude is equal to 3. Now answer here today. Now size lana ku 7.5. 7.5. Determine for which values of x if x element of 0 degrees to 180 will determine for which values of x if this okay. Okay, now I get it. So now lana, we only pay attention from 0 degrees all the way up to bani 108. So 7.5.1. Sifuna the part of the graph where it says g of x greater than f of x, meaning that g of x komele abe ngaphezulu kwakabani kwaka f of x. Between 0 degrees and 108, we ignore this part of the function. We only focus from 0 to 180. Ne? So nangu f, nangu g, nangu munyu g la. Ne? Nangu munyu g. So sifuna la g angaphezulu, ne? And then f angaphansi. Ukhumbule la ku a, they do what? They intersect. Ne? They intersect, meaning that they are both equal. Sifuna la g of x aphezulu, f angaphansi khona. So sithi from 0, ne, degrees to 104, from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, ne? Whenever x are equal to whenever x are between 0 degrees no 45 degrees, sithola ifunction yethu iba ngaphezulu, then ifunction yethu ka g iba ngaphezulu, then leya ka f iba ngaphansi. So sizothi x element of open bracket oval bracket siyam exclude lo 0 ngoba lana it's way function yethu iba maybe I think it's way include this one. Yeah, so include ngoba la ku 0 degrees isese ngaphezulu. Yeah, no, say include. We include this one. So include lo 0 degrees all the way up to bani 45 degrees. Excluded. So I'm exclude ngoba lama function aba equal way to, ne? Then siyabuya ke manje. It all right? Okay, siyabuya ke manje. Sithi from lana ke, from lo kanje lo 45, from lo 45 siyam exclude 45 degrees, siyam exclude all the way up to bani, all the way up to here, la 165 degrees. Naye siyam exclude. We unite lama lokanje lama intervals la, ne? We unite lama intervals. Oh, noma ungayibhala so uthi okay, u-f ungaphezulu, I mean u-g ungaphezulu, f ungaphansi, u-g ungaphezulu, f ungaphansi, from 0 degrees all the way up to 165. Ungayibhala so uthi okay, x element of 0 degrees all the way up to 165 degrees excluded, where x must not be equal to 45 degrees ngoba ilala ma function aba equal khona, ne? So we check also this one. They're only looking for ama values kabani ka x ayenza lama function ukuthi behave this way. 7.5.2 sifuna u-g prime x multiplied by f prime x greater or equal to 0. Alright ke, lo prime angakuhlukumezi lo, ungawari ngalo prime. Lo prime lo simply says sifuna ama gradients, ne? Ama gradients. You don't have to find the derivative or yala ma function. No. Ithi ngifuna ama gradients. Okay, ngifuna thatha I gradient ka g uyi multiply ne gradient kabani ka f. When you multiply the two gradients of these functions, kwamele abe greater or equal to 0, ne? Meaning that I gradient ka g kwamele ibe positive. Nangabe positive I gradient ka g, ne gradient ka f kwamele ibe njani? Ibe positive ngoba the value must be greater than or equal to 0, ne? And if I gradient ka g in negative, nale kalo kanje ka f kwamele ibe njani? Ibe negative. Yes, kwamele ibe negative. So sifuna the parts of the graph where sithola ini, sithola ama negative what? Gradients or ama positive gradients, right? Bheka ke nangu g, thi ngimaka u-g kuqala, nangu g, nayi function ka g, nayi function ka g nazo. Alright ke, so I positive gradient uyibona kanjani? Nayi, the graph is going up la. If the graph iyaphezulu, then uyazi ukuthi lana ine positive gradient. Nangu f nayo iyaphezulu, unani? Une positive gradient. Uyabona? Une positive gradient. But nakafika la abanjani? Nakafika la ku a ama gradient wethu abanjani? Wethu aba u0. Uyabona? Aba u0. But this notation allows us ukuthi ama gradients wethu abenjani? Abe 0 wethu. So this value ka 45 this time is included. Siyayehla ke le function ka f. Nayehla le function ka f iba njani gradient? Iba negative. This function ka g yenzani? Iyayehla nayo. It means what? The gradient is also negative. Negative yosinika a positive. Positive and a positive isinika a positive. Asayehla still ayehla. Nakafika la lama function sekanjani manje? The function ka f senjani? Seyiba u0 at this point. But this one iba njani? Iba isase negative. So seyakhuphuka le seyayehla, meaning that le seyiba negative, le seyiba njani? Iba positive. Then we have to stop khona la, wekuqala u0 khona. So wekuqala i0 gradient khona. So interval yethu wesithola a negative, positive, it's from 0 degrees all the way up to this point. So it means what again? It's 0 degrees, 45, ungakhohlwa graph f, graph g shifted by 45 degrees, then it's 90, then la kuba ubani 135. So it means that the interval yethu yoba between x element of siyaba include lapha 0 degrees included all the way up to 135 included as well. Nayi answer yethu la. Okay. Last question ke manje. Without solving the equation, use the graphs above to show how you would solve the following equation. Without solving the equation, how would you solve the equation there using the graph above? Ne? Explain. Show how you would solve. But show but solve but isikhombisa ukuthi boy uyisolve kanjani. So sino square root 2 la. Sine 2x equal to cos x plus sine x. Alright. We have to simplify this thing. Why ngisho njalo? It's because nangabe ufuna ukuyisolve using the graph above, komele ukhombise la. Uyabona this function le ubani f. Right? So using the above graph to solve this equation, it means that f komele avele no g komele avele. Angikhona ukusolve using this. Angikhona ukusolve this equation if lama functions for the above graphs are working in this equation, right? So kwamele ngisimplify in such a way ukuthi both functions appear. Na function yami yaka f la, right? Simplify in such a way ukuthi no g of x uyavela nakhona, such that no g of x uyavela. So siwenzani? The first thing engizoyenza ngizothi divide by square root 2, divide by square root 2 la, divide by square root 2 nala. Why do I do that? Ngoba ngifuna le isuke so that kusale i-function kabani ka f of x. So kuba sine 2x la equal to bese kuba 1 over square root 2 cos x plus 1 over square root 2 sine x. So yebo ukuthi yaphi ke manje? Awuyiboni na manje? Awuyiboni na? Awuyiboni? Mina ngiyayibona nayi la. Lana komele kube ulo kanje la. Nangayibhala so cos 45 degrees. Okay, don't know. I think ngibhale so. Otherwise it's so confused at this way. Ngibhale so. About cos x times 1 over square root 2 plus sine x times 1 over the square root of 2. So about cos x times cos 45 degrees plus sine x times sine 45 degrees. Cos 45 unginikeza 1 over square root 2. Sine 45 unginikeza 1 over square root 2. Yebo? So ngisimplify kanje, then I write it down as a compound angle. Yebo, cos x minus 45 degrees. Bingo. Nayi lapha. Yebo? Nayi lapha. So therefore, so yabo ukuthi sine 2x is equal to cos x minus 45 degrees. So it means that in order for me to solve this equation, now I'm going to solve the equation using the graphs. Ngiyofuna the points where ama graphs wama intersect akhona. Uyabona? Naku la. It's where the graphs intersect. Isolution yami uyithola la. Enye solution yami uyithola kuphi? La. Enye solution yami uyithola kuphi? Khona la. Nayi. That's the explanation okwamele provide la. Abati solve but show ukuthi boyisolve kanjani le equation using the graphs above. So question 7 wethu guys uzophelela lana. I hope we enjoy it. I hope we told something out of this recording here today. ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. There are also links for other questions engiwaphendulile for the question paper. Check out the description box uzowathola lapho. For now, asibonane on the next lesson. Bye bye.